So something genuinely interesting just slipped out, and it clearly wasn't meant to. A subscriber of the new camera spotted something odd on Amazon Germany and flagged it. For a brief moment, an Amazon Germany product page went live and casually dropped what looks like the very first official trace of the Osmo Pocket 4. And that's a big deal, because this is the first time Pocket 4 has shown up on a major retail platform tied directly to DJI. The page didn't stick around for long either. It vanished, rolled back, completely pulled, but not before screenshots were taken, and those screenshots tell us plenty. The listing was associated with DJI, which gives it real weight. And buried inside that placeholder page was a pretty loud clue, a March 2026 availability date, as highlighted by the subscriber who spotted the listing. Now let's be clear, this is not a launch confirmation. DJI has done this before. Listings appear, spark curiosity, then quietly disappear. Sometimes it's intentional, sometimes internal timelines leak early. Either way, it's rarely meaningless. As for the specs that showed up, honestly, nothing unexpected. It described a vlogging-focused camera with a 2.5cm CMOS sensor, roughly 1-inch class, 4K at 120 frames per second. 3-axis stabilization, fast autofocus, face and object tracking, and YouTube compatibility. If that all sounds familiar, that's because it lines up almost perfectly with the Osmo Pocket 3, which strongly suggests this was a placeholder listing, not final hardware details, a temporary stand-in until real specs are locked in. But the timing is the real takeaway here. Seeing March 2026, even briefly, on a DJI-linked Amazon page points to a realistic February or March launch window. And historically, DJI announcements tend to land not too far ahead of release, so no, we didn't get groundbreaking specs, and yes, the page disappeared fast. But the Pocket 4 has now officially accidentally entered the public radar, and once that happens, things usually start moving pretty quickly. That said, I'll take my leave here. Subscribe for more. Peace.